Alright, so this is going to be a video about removing and installing press fit wrist pin on the connecting rod. Removal, I use my 20-ton Harbor Freight press. Take a piece of hardwood. This is poplar, so I don't know. It worked. I drill a 1-inch hole right where the wrist pin will go, and I make a small relief for that stupid bump on the piston. I line this up, something like that. Put it under the or I put it on the center of the plate. Use like a 5/8 socket. Start cranking down on it, and it'll make one hell of a pop. And then it'll start moving pretty easy. Once it starts moving, then I recenter everything over the hole in the plates and crank it out, and it's no worries. Then if you put it over the hole to begin with, your wood will crumble and bad things will happen. Unfortunately, I don't have any more pistons I need to remove, so you'll have to use your imagination there. So for installing the connecting rod onto the piston, the best way I've found is to use a piece of crap toaster oven. You throw the connecting rod in there, and I crank it on as high as it'll go, 450. I don't know, I shove it in there for like 20 minutes. It's probably excessive, but it gives me time to drink beer. And then I take my wrist pin and I stick it in my freezer. You can't see shit, but I stick it in between my vegetables for the same amount of time that the connecting rod is in the toaster oven. So you get your glove on, you open your oven, grab your rod, you have your wrist pin ready. So you grab your connecting rod out of the oven, you have your wrist pin ready, and you slam them home. As you can see, shrinks really fast. So you only get one shot. As you can see, I didn't get that one quite in. It's okay. I can take it over to my press, shove it in a little further. No worries. I was not fast enough on that one. But it's really pretty easy. Don't do like I did earlier. Grab the connecting rod thinking it's cooled off. It's not. Burns the shit out of you. See, still hanging out a little on that side. Needs to be shoved in quite a bit more. It's okay. It's really easy to shove it back and forth a little bit on the press. No worries. Real easy. Alright, so since I screwed up in the other video and didn't stick the wrist pin in far enough, I figured I'd show you my press setup so I can shove the wrist pin in a little further. The reason that happened is because I didn't move fast enough since I was making a video, and the wrist pin had condensation on it from the freezer, so you could hear it sizzle in the video, which cooled it really fast, which made it stick almost instantly. So we're going to try and shove this in a little further so that you guys can see how well this works. So just shove on it a little bit. There you go, see, it's moving. I'll shove it in a little further here until it's about even. Right about there. There you go. Now your wrist pin's where you need it to be, and super easy. Didn't have to send it to the machine shop and pay them money. Enjoy. Oh, and before people complain, the piston that I'm using for this is garbage. The connecting rod I'm using for this is garbage. Connecting rod spun, piston chewed on something. I just used this to make a video so that I could teach y'all how to be cheap. Carry on.